One of the most common types of clouds we see is stratus clouds. In winter, this is probably the most common form of clouds we see. Stratus clouds are low clouds and are usually seen up to 2,000 meters or 6,500 feet. An example of a stratus cloud is an overcast day. Whenever the entire sky is gray and appears uniform as one cloud, it is known as a stratus cloud. Stratus clouds form horizontally, not vertically, and do not build on top of each other. The next form of stratus clouds is the altostratus clouds. Contrary to what one might think about altostratus clouds, these clouds are not the highest form of clouds. In music, alto means high, but when talking about clouds, alto only means mid-level clouds. These clouds range from 2,000 to 6,000 meters or 6,500 to 20,000 feet. Skies look similar to stratus clouds, but with altostratus clouds, one can see the sun's outline through the clouds, but it is still a gray day outside. The highest form of stratus clouds are cirrostratus clouds. The prefix cirro means high when talking about clouds, thus cirrostratus clouds are high stratus clouds. These clouds range from 6,000 to 13,000 meters, or 20,000 to 43,000 feet. With cirrostratus clouds, one can see the sun behind the clouds and can see small breaks in overcast clouds where the sun shines through. Another form of stratus clouds is nimbostratus clouds. Nimbus means rain or precipitation, so nimbostratus clouds are clouds that carry precipitation. They are gray, dark, and low clouds that produce drizzling rain. We know that stratus clouds develop horizontally, so these clouds will not stack up like cumulus clouds. Skies will often be overcast when nimbostratus clouds appear. The other common types of clouds are the cumulus clouds. Unlike stratus clouds, we usually are happy when we see cumulus clouds because cumulus clouds are the clouds one sees on sunny days. Cumulus clouds are low clouds and are usually near the surface and are seen up to 2,000 meters or 6,500 feet. Cumulus clouds form vertically, have a flat base, and are puffy. An example of these clouds is partly cloudy days with only a few clouds in the sky. Those few clouds are usually cumulus clouds, and some people like to use their imaginations to make these clouds into shapes and figures. The next form of cumulus clouds are altocumulus clouds. As previously stated, alto means mid-level clouds, not high clouds. These clouds range from 2,000 to 6,000 meters, or 6,500 to 20,000 feet. Altocumulus clouds are seen on partly cloudy days and are similar to cumulus clouds, but are higher in altitude. They appear in waves in the sky or are arranged in lines and groups. These are generally smaller than cumulus clouds because of their altitude. The highest form of cumulus clouds are cirrocumulus. The prefix cirro means high, so cirrocumulus clouds range from 6,000 to 13,000 meters, or 20,000 to 43,000 feet. Cirrocumulus clouds are also seen on partly cloudy or mostly clear days. They appear as small white flakes in the sky that are very high. They also appear in lines and groups, and sometimes in ripples. These clouds look very small because of their altitude. Another form of cumulus clouds is cumulonimbus. The word nimbus means rain or precipitation, so as you can imagine, cumulonimbus clouds have precipitation and usually are storm clouds. Cumulonimbus clouds are giant towering clouds that stack on top of each other and have great vertical development. They also have an anvil-shaped head that points to which way the storm cloud is moving. Thunderstorms are a product of these clouds and produce hard rain showers. A form of cloud that doesn't relate to either stratus or cumulus clouds is cirrus clouds. These clouds are the highest clouds seen ranging from 6,000 to 13,000 meters or 20,000 to 43,000 feet. These clouds are barely visible and are minuscule. They appear as hair-like clouds seen on mostly clear or few clouds days. The final form of cloud is a stratocumulus cloud. Based on what we have learned about stratus and cumulus clouds, stratocumulus clouds are a mix of these clouds. These clouds are low-forming clouds and appear up to 2,000 meters or 6,500 feet. They appear gray and in lines or groups. They also have heavy rolls and irregular overcast patterns.